Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can run a website free without buying any hosting. You don't even need a Blogger or Blogspot. So without wasting time, let's begin the tutorial. Open your browser, go to your Google Drive. Create a folder and name it what your domain name. Like this. Now upload your HTML files and folders in this Google Drive folder. Now go back and select the folder you create, click on Share. Make it public. Now go to Google and type Drive to Web, click the first link you see. Now you will get two options here. One is offering you to host a website from your Google Drive, and another is for run a website using your Microsoft OneDrive. Create a DNS record name. Now paste the text here and save the setting. Delete your domain name and HTTP part. Now go to your domain provider and now it will take up to 5 min, and then you can see your domain is now live.